Let's start definite article the. Children, the is known as definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular or specific person or thing. For example, look at these two examples. Give me a pen. That means you can give me any pen. Any pen you have, you could give me. But second, give me the pen lying on the table. Now I have specified the pen. The pen that is lying on that table, give me that pen only. No other pen I need. I need only that pen. So, a pen means any pen, the pen means specific pen. Look at the next example. I had an orange. That means I ate any orange that was lying in my house. No specific orange. But the orange was sour. Means that particular orange which I ate, that was sour. So I have added the here. I had an orange means any orange, but the orange means the orange I had already talked about. So always remember this difference. We use a or an for any person or anything. They are not specific, but the is always used for a particular person or particular thing. Means if we are talking about something specific, we will always use definite article the. Now let's find out where else we have to use the. The is used before the names of any water bodies or mountain ranges. For example, the Ganga. Ganga is the name of river, so we have used in front of it. The Red Sea. Again, name of a sea, so we have used the Red Sea. The Pacific Ocean. Similarly, the Himalayas. That means mountain range, so we have used the. Next comes in front of the names of trains, ships, or aeroplanes. For example, Rajdhani Express is the name of a train, so we have used the in front of it. Similarly, Titanic, the Titanic, and Indian Airways, name of a airways, so the Indian Airways. Next, the is also used in front of the names of known buildings or historical monuments. For example, Taj Mahal, or and next example, India Gate. India Gate is a very famous place, so the India Gate. And similarly, Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a historical building, so we have used the in front of Qutub Minar. We also use the in front of the names of holy books, or you can say sacred books or religious books, or before the names of any newspaper. The Gita. Gita is a holy book of the Hindus, so the Gitas. Similarly, the Quran. The Tribune. Tribune is the name of a newspaper, that's why we have used the Tribune. Similarly, an English newspaper, Indian Express, we have used the in front of Indian Express. So, always remember, the is also used in front of any religious book or any newspaper. Next, students, the is always used before superlative degrees of adjectives. For example, the highest mountain peak, the most intelligent girl of the class, the laziest boy of the class. So whenever we have to use the third degree of adjective, before that we always use the word the. Remember kids, I have told the is used with specific things. That means they are unique in nature. So the is used before all heavenly bodies or planets. Heavenly bodies means whatever you see in the sky. The sun, the moon, the stars, and names of the planet, the earth, the Mercury, the Venus, or before the directions, the east, the west, the south, the northeast, like that. The is also used before the common noun when they indicate the whole class or the community. Look at the example. The rose smells sweet. I'm not talking about single rose. I'm talking about the whole rose community. Every rose, all roses are sweet. So the rose means I'm talking about all the roses. The cow is a useful animal. Only one cow is not useful. Rather, every cow is useful. So we will add the in front of cow. If you will write a cow is a useful animal, that means only single cow is a useful animal. If you will write a rose smells sweet means only one rose smells sweet. Similarly, the is also used before adjectives when they indicate the whole class or the community. For example, instead of calling sick people, we have used the sick must be treated nicely. The sick means obviously sick people, but we have used the sick as adjective as the whole community. That means every sick person must be treated nicely. Similarly, second example, the naughty must be punished. That means all the naughty students, everybody who's doing mischiefs in the class, they must be punished. Now there's one more rule. If we are talking about something or someone for the first time, we'll use a or an in front of that common noun. But if we are talking it for the second time or if we are repeating about that person or that thing, we'll use the. Look at the example. I live in a house. I live in a house. I'm using house for the first time, so that's why a house. But in the second sentence, I have used house for the second time. So I have written the house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. Now I have used for the second time. That's why I have used the. Now what is the rule behind them? Because the house, now I have particularized the house in which I live in. Children, the is also used with ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the second, the last boy in the row is my cousin.